Hello everybody, I am so happy you're here. I'm going to show you how to make a simple casita that works as a pen holder. This is the house that we are gonna make today. It looks beautiful, colorful, and full of little details. We will need 6 pieces of Cartulina, cardstock, in different colors. I am going to use a standard A4 sheets, but I'm gonna cut them into squares of 21 centimeters by 21 centimeters. We're gonna fold the square in half, and then we're gonna fold each side to the center again, creating a grid. Now we fold the corners inward, making little triangle shapes. And now we are gonna use the creases that we have done to create a 3D shape. I'm going to use this metallic gray marker, and I'm going to trace the window outlines as a reference. I will be colored them later with brown tone. But first, I am going to cut out the little ventanitas, and then we're going to paint the brown window frames. We are going to draw the branches with this green marker, where we're going to glue our tiny flowers later. And now I'm going to use this metallic purple pencil, and I'm going to do some dots around the branch that we have already done. As you can see, there is some cardstock behind it, so I'm going to cut it with my knife. And here we have it. Once that's done, we're going to repeat the same foldings and everything with the remaining 5 pieces of cardstock. We are going to start assembling all the triangles, all these little parts, using glue and a hot glue gun. Now for the base, I am going to use another piece of Cartulina. After this, we're going to start putting our mini flowers. By the way, if you would like to learn how to make these mini flowers, I have a short tutorial on that, so just check out my YouTube channel. And we are gonna make these tiny butterflies. Okay, so let's start painting the lower part of the wall. I'm going to use orange, and I'm going to paint the branches and some of the flowers with this orange color. So for the roof tiles, I am going to use cardstock. And I am going to add this little canaleta, which is a gutter, here for extra detail. Once it is dry, I'm gonna use a sponge and a green paint to add a texture brush, And then I'm gonna paint small white flowers on top of it to make it pop even more. And that's it! Your beautiful little casita is ready. Perfect for your pens and pencils. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you very soon. Ciao!